What is up, my friends? I am Mumphy. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, thank you so much for joining. Today we've got another mounting video for you guys. I'm really excited for this one because we're actually adding stuff to the bed rack. So what is it that we're mounting? We're mounting some Rotopacks. Let's get into this video.
Perfect.
As I said in the intro, I'm actually really excited to start mounting stuff to my bed rack. And what better way than to start off with some Rotopacks. Now, Rotopacks are sold individually. I ended up purchasing two from my local overland store, which here in Utah, one of them is Hinckley Overlanding. So that's where I picked these up. I also picked up the mounts, and with the mounts comes the hardware. So make sure that you get all that when you're ordering all this in order to mount to whichever bed rack that you have. All right, now one of the things that you want to look at is the configuration of your bed rack. What I have is the Saints Offroad Tango bed rack, and if you're going to mount things to the side, you definitely want to make sure that you have the right configuration for whichever bed rack you have. Now I have a little bit of a challenge with mine because I've got light cutouts that I'm going to mount side lighting. Well, let's take this Rotopack that's got two linked together. And if I put this up, the issue is that I'll be covering up my side lighting. So I won't be able to run a double like this. And the nice thing with these Rotopacks is they come apart. Now what I can do is I can mount individuals, and I'm going to have to mount one here in between the two lights, and I'll mount one on the back. And what that'll do is that'll give me space so that I'm not covering up my side lighting when I finally get to that install. Alright, as we get into mounting these Rotopacks, the hardware that you'll get is you'll get a panhead bolt with a washer and a nylock nut. Now this nylock nut is a 7/16. Then you'll have your mount. And one of the things that's really nice about the Saints Off-Road mount is that they really thought about the spacing that comes on the Rotopack mount. So we'll go ahead and size this to make sure that the height is right, and then we'll throw the bolts on, tighten it down, and we'll get the Rotopacks mounted. Alright, so one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm just going to make sure that it's where I want it to be placed, and then just make sure that the height is where we want it to. So I may have to come up a little bit, about there, just to make sure that I'm not hitting my bed with the Rotopack. And the cool thing is that each of these correspond. So these oval cutouts are spaced exactly apart, and then the rectangular cutouts are spaced evenly apart, and they all line up with the Rotopack mounting cutouts. So put the pan head in, put the washer on the back, and then the nylock nut. Alright, now before I tighten everything down, what I want to do is I'm just going to size this, make sure that it's not hitting my bed there. I've got good spacing, and I like that height. So now I'll go ahead and put in the rest of the bolts. And now that I've locked that in, we can go ahead and tighten the nuts down on the back side. Remember, this is a 7/16. Kind of hand tighten those down, kind of like you do your wheel lugs. Just kind of back and forth and then cross. Just make sure that you got that mounted on there nice and tight. Now that's one down. We'll get the other one done. so what I've done is I just aligned it up with the one I installed in the back. So we're down 2. That should be high enough so that way I'm not hitting the bed of the truck and I'm in between my lights. So I'm just going to tighten these down and then we'll be able to get the RotoPax mounted. Alright, now that we have both mounts on the bed rack, we're ready to mount the RotoPax. One thing you can see here with the Rotopack is you have the nozzle. Now they say that you're supposed to mount these with the nozzle facing up. You don't want it facing down for potential fuel leakage. So there are a couple of options. You can have it facing towards the back, or you can have it facing towards the front. Let's go ahead and just throw this on and see which direction I like more. You know, honestly, I kind of like it facing forward, so sorry, but I'll be covering up the Rotopack logo. And as you can see, I'll still have spacing for my lighting, so this doesn't cover up, and this isn't covered up either. You'll notice that with this one, I had a little bit of struggle getting it on. I've noticed that Rotopacks are not all made identically. So this one here, that center gap is actually really nice. This one over here, seems to kind of get hung up, so might have been just a slight molding issue, but it's not going to affect the performance. It's just getting that on and off will be a little trickier. In fact, I think I might move this one to here. Yeah, I kind of like this direction a little bit better. So now all you got to do is just make sure that this locking mechanism is outside, and it'll line up with these 2 indentations on the Rotopacks. Once those are aligned, you spin the outside one to tighten that down, and that's what holds it against the bed rack. Now they do have a lock option if you're worried about security and somebody walking off with these. They can be a little bit expensive to replace, so just keep that in mind if you go this route. Alrighty, it's looking good. Alright my friends, that's going to wrap it up for this mounting video. If you enjoyed it, please smash that like button. I'd appreciate it. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what kind of accessory fuel management system are you guys running. I'm running Rotopacks. What are you guys running? Are you running a jerry can or some other brand similar to Rotopack? Let me know down in the comment section. If you haven't, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate you guys sticking around and enjoying these videos. Look forward to the next one, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Perfect.